Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Okay, chalo let's start our next question. Okay, so question number कितना भाई? Yes, it's a question number 11. चलो let's start this question number 11. Okay, so please, if you have not seen my previous videos where we have solved the first 10 questions of this miscellaneous exercise, please go through that. भाई सब concepts तो उधर से ही आते हैं ना, इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं आपको. चलो now let's see, find the कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन बोल रहा है, ठीक है, of the plane r bar is equals to lambda this plus mu this. Okay, after reading this question, what you can remember, that is very important. The step number 1 is what they have given, the plane equation. So it's a plane equation they have given. So let's write it, r bar is equals to lambda into I plus j minus k plus mu into I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, this is one of the formula where we have seen the 10 important formulas of this topic. Okay, so let's compare this with the standard equation, so which is nothing but r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar plus mu c bar. I hope you remember this. So after comparing, what I can say, b bar is nothing but I plus j minus k and c bar is nothing but I plus 2j plus 3k. Yes, and this is the equation of the plane which is passing through the point A and parallel to B bar and C bar. That's why we have written this B bar and C bar in the linear combination form. Okay, see, the concept is very important. That's why I told you again and again. चलो तो लिखो भाई यहाँ पे, so this is a B bar and this is C bar and this is the point through which your plane is passing. So we have to find out the Cartesian equation of this plane. पहले इसको सादे वेक्टर फॉर्म में तो लिख लो. ओके, सादे वेक्टर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हो? सो द इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन, द रिक्वायर्ड डिजायर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन इज व्हाट, r bar dot n bar is equals to a bar dot n bar. Okay, so what is a bar here? So of course the a bar is 0, so a bar is nothing but 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Okay, and what is n bar? N bar will be the b bar cross c bar. So r bar dot, it's a b bar cross c bar equals to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Of course I will be getting the right hand side totally equals to 0 because the a is 0 vector. Okay, so let's find out this n bar first. So n bar is equals to b bar cross c bar, which is equals to determinant of I j k 1 1 minus 1 1 2 3. This is equals to I into bracket, it's a 3 plus 2 minus j into bracket 3 plus 1 and plus k in bracket we have 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So let's solve this. So it's a 5i minus 4j plus single k equals to 0. This is what I get the b bar cross c bar. Let's substitute this in this equation and we will get the answer. So r bar dot, it's a 5i minus 4j plus k equals to, okay, यहाँ पे 0 नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे 0 आएगा. This is equals to 0 bar. Okay, so this is equals to 0 bar. But we want to find the Cartesian equation. What we get is the vector equation. Okay, तो इसको Cartesian में कैसे लिखना है? Replace ij का by x y z. So it's a 5x minus 4y plus z, it is equals to 0. This is what my final answer, 5x minus 4y plus z equals to 0. Final equation. So have a dabba box, important one. Okay, good. Let's see the next question now, 12th one. Okay, so find the vector equation of the plane which passes through 1 a comma b. Okay, let me have the space, new page kind. Okay, let's zoom it. Yes, find the vector equation of the plane which passes through the point a and b and make equal intercept on the coordinate system. Important question, you can give the 5 star. Okay, because this is the a new conceptual question is. Okay, so let's start with the steps. So step number 1 is what, the point a is given as 1 comma 2 comma 3 and b as 3 comma 2 comma 1, and the next third statement they say is that equal intercept made on the coordinate axis. So intercepts means what, I have already told you in the last video. Suppose this is what we have, the x y z axis. Okay, your plane is making an intercept on the coordinate axis. Suppose this is what we have the intercepts. Make equal intercept बोला, equal मतलब suppose this is a P, this has to be P and this has to be P only. Okay, perfect. Now these intercepts made on the coordinate axis can be non-zero or zero, because your plane may pass through this origin also. Okay, or your plane may pass through these 3 points, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, मतलब intercept zero भी हो सकता है और non-zero भी हो सकता है. If the intercept is zero, what we get? That the constant part. Okay, what is the standard equation? The standard equation of the plane is what? It is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. This a, b, c are nothing but the direction ratios of the normal vector. But what this d is doing there? What this d is doing here? This d decides the intercept. This d decides the intercept of plane on the coordinate axis. Please remember this. Please make a note of this. On the coordinate axis. It is the same way that we have ax plus by plus c equals to 0. What is this? This is the equation of line. Yes or no? This is my equation of line. Ax plus by plus c, and what is the c denotes here? C denotes nothing but the intercept made by the line. In the same way, here we have the constant term d, which decides or which tells us that the intercept made by the plane on the coordinate axis. Okay, so this is the new part I can say, but this I have already covered in one of my previous video. Okay, so let's make use of this concept and let's try to find the answer. यहाँ पे जो अपना प्लेन है that is making an equal intercept. Now d can be equals to 0 or it can be equals to non-zero. Yes or no? But it should be equal. मतलब फर्स्ट केस में हो गया ये 0 0 0 हो गया, मीन्स d की वैल्यू 0 हो गई. Okay, so we will have the cases now. Okay, so first case is what? Case number 1 is what? The intercept, equal intercept equals to 0. Okay, so in that case what will be the equation of the plane? It is nothing but ax plus by plus cz plus d नहीं आएगा, it is directly equals to 0. Yes, it's directly equals to 0. Now this is the required equation of plane, and the information, one more information they have given, that it is a passing through the point A and B. Means what? This equation of the plane should satisfy that two lines, 2 points. Okay, so first point is what? Is 1 comma 2 comma 3. As the plane is passing through this point A, it should satisfy the above equation. So let's write. So it is 1 into A plus 2 into B plus 3 into C, it is equals to 0. Means it is equals to A plus 2B plus 3C equals to 0. This is my equation number 1. The second point is what? It is a 3 comma 2 comma 1. So let's substitute. So it's a 3A plus 2B plus 1C equals to 0, implies 3A plus 2B plus C equals to 0. This is the second equation of the line. Sorry, plane. Okay, so we have the two equations. So can we get the proportion in which these the values ABC are nothing but the direction ratios. Okay, so can we get the proportion in which these ABCs are there? Yes, of course. So what is the best method is what? It is the Cramer's rules. Okay, so it's a divided by, remove this A and consider the coefficients of B and C. So what we have the coefficients? So it's a 2 3 and B is nothing but 2 and 1. So it's a 2 1. It is equals to B divided by, so B को छोड़ के A and C we have to consider. So A coefficient is 1, C is 3. So write down as it is 1 3. And next we have the 3 and 1. So it's a 3 and 1. Okay, so it's a 3 and 1. Next what we have is, remove this C, that is C divided by, remove this C and have the coefficients, that is 1 and 2, and we have 3 and 2 again. Okay, and the trick part is what? We have to give the negative, whatever we get the answer here. Okay, chalo, now solve this. So A divided by, we have 2 minus 6 2 minus 6 is nothing but minus 4. Great. So it's a minus b divided by, it's a 1 minus 9 is nothing but minus of 8, which is equals to c divided by 2 minus 6 is again minus 4. Okay, now let's have the simplification here. So this minus minus gets cancelled, so this becomes positive. So can I take or divide by minus 4 here? Yes, of course, so you can do that. So it's minus 2 by minus 4 becomes 2. It's okay, minus 4 से divide करना है ना. So इसका हो गया 1 and b divided by minus 2 I will get, and here I will get the c by 1. What I have done here is I have divided by minus 4 on all sides. Okay, so this becomes the values of ABC. Okay, so a comma b comma c becomes the proportionate, which is 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. Now you can simply substitute this 1 minus 2 1 in this equation. Okay, so this becomes ax plus by plus cz equals to 0, implies we have 1 into a minus 2 into y plus 1 into z equals to 0, implies, sorry, it should be x. Okay, so it is x minus 2y plus z equals to 0. This is what the equation of a plane, required equation of plane, which is making an equal intercept which is equal to 0. Okay, 0 intercept made by this plane on the coordinate axis. अभी ये तो हो गया भाई अपना फर्स्ट केस. सो कैन वी हैव द सेकंड स्टेप अगेन? यस ऑफ कोर्स. सो द सेकंड स्टेप में क्या रहेगा? अपना इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट विल बी नॉन जीरो. Okay, let me write. See, the procedure will remain same. So case number 2 will be the equal intercept will be equals to, let's say it's a p and it's a non-zero. Okay, so in that case what can be the equation of a plane? Yes, it's a ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. Okay, now we have this d. Now let's divide the whole equation, or let's have this ax plus by plus cz, it is equals to, let's take it's a minus d. Okay, now divide the whole equation by minus d. So what you will get? You will get x divided by minus d by a plus b divided by, oh sorry, it's y divided by, you will get minus d by b plus z divided by, you will get minus d by c, which is equals to 1. Okay, so if I write in this standard form, this will be equals to x by p equals to plus y by p plus z by p, it is equals to 1. This is the standard form of the plane which is making an intercept, equal intercept, and that intercept is equals to p, okay, so this is the standard form, x by p plus y by p z by p, it is equals to 1. This is what the standard equation of the plane which is making an equal intercept. Please make a note of this. Okay, if suppose, let's take one simple example. If suppose the plane is making an intercept equals to 10, then what will be the equation? It's x by 10 plus y by 10 plus z by 10, it is equals to 1. Please make a note that here you should have on the right hand side, it should be always equals to 1. Then only you get these intercept is equals to, sorry, these constants in the denominator will be equals to the intercept made by the plane. Okay, otherwise no. If it is not equals to 1, no, you cannot take directly these as intercepts. Okay, good, very good. Now let's solve this. So this is what the equation, base equation becomes for us now. So let's take that equation and move further. So we know that our plane is passing through 1 comma 2 comma 3 and b in bracket 3 comma 2 comma 1. Let's substitute these values ABC in the above equation because it should satisfy that equations. Okay, so I am getting 1 by p plus 2 by p plus 3 by p, it is equals to 1. So can I multiply throughout the equation by p? Yes, of course. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is equals to p. So p कितना आ गया भाई? p आ गया मेरा 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Let's come to this side. So it's a 3 by p plus 2 by p plus 1 by p, it is equals to 1, and we have 3 plus 2 plus 1, it is equals to p, and which is equals to 6. So in the both cases we are getting the value p is equals to 6. Okay, now let's substitute this in the equation, in this equation, and let's solve for the answer. So what you get is x plus x by 6 plus y by 6 plus z by 6, it is equals to 1. So if I multiply on both side by 6, what you will get? X plus y plus z, it is equals to 6. So this is what the required equation of the plane. This is the second equation of the plane here. Okay, which is making an intercept of 6. Okay, great. Okay, चलो तो दो आंसर्स क्या हो गए अपने. our first answer is what it is, x minus 2y, x minus 2y plus z is equals to 0. This is what my first equation, that is the first part के लिए, which is equals to 0 intercept, and this is the second equation of the plane which is making an intercept of p. Okay, good. So this 6 value we get because of these points a and b. I hope you understand this question. Okay, let's try to solve one more question based on this concept so that it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so let's take the question number 13 now. The second question is now 13. Perfect. Okay, find the vector equation of the plane which makes equal non-zero intercept on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. Abhi in this question they have directly give us ki bhai your intercept is non-zero and it is equal. Okay, and it is passing through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now let's directly make use of the standard form. We know that the equation of plane in the intercept form, is, so what is that is, it is x by p plus y by p plus z by p, it is equals to 1. Okay, and what is that intercept you are getting here is, find the vector equation which makes an equal non-zero intercept. They have not given any value of intercept here, but the information they have given is it is passing through the point 1 1 1. As plane passing through 1 1 1, let's substitute 1 1 1 in above plane equation. Okay, so what you will get, 1 by p plus 1 by p plus 1 by p, it is equals to 1. So if I multiply by p on both sides, what you will get, 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is equals to 1 into p. So p is equals to 3. Okay, so let's substitute here in this equation. So we will get x by 3 plus y by 3 plus z by 3, it is equals to 1. So after simplifying you will get the answer as x plus y plus z, y plus z, it is equals to 3. Is this your equation final? Yes, perfect. Okay, but the twist is what, if you write this equation now you will not get full marks. Though it is correct, you will not get full marks. Why? Because the question में क्या चाहिए उनको, I want the vector equation of this plane. No problem, only single step will give you the full marks here. What is that step is, convert the Cartesian into vector form. So it is equals to r bar dot, I will have I plus j plus k, it is equals to 3. This is what the final required answer is. Okay, so let's have a box for this. This is my answer. Is it okay? So r bar dot I plus j plus k, it is equals to 3. This is the final answer. Good. Now let's see the next question. I hope now you have understood how to solve the questions on based on the intercept. Okay, now it's time to start the question number 14. Okay, चलो क्या बोलता है question number 14. Okay, now these questions based on the angles formulas. Okay, find the angle between the planes. So both are in the angle. We have two cases. Your angle may be in between two planes or in between plane and line. So they have given the between the planes case. So in the between the plane case, what is the formula? So S1 step number 1 is what? They have given the plane number 1 and plane number 2. Step number 2 is what? We have to get the angle cos theta is equals to mod of n1 bar dot n2 bar upon n1 n2. Okay, so what is n1? That is a normal vector of the first vector. This is what the n1 bar, this is what the n2 bar is. Okay, so it is mod of minus 2i plus j plus 2k dot 2i plus 2j plus k whole divided by their magnitudes. Okay, so first magnitude कितना आ गया ये 4 plus 1 plus 4 and next आ गया 4 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, modulus it is mod में minus 2 into 2 ये हो गया मेरा minus 4, 1 into 2 हो गया मेरा plus 2 and 2 into 1 हो गया again plus 2 whole divided by mod of, so it's mod of 9, sorry root में 9 आ गया तो ये भाग आ गया 3 into 3 and the best part is minus 4 and plus 4 equals to 0. So cos theta is equals to 0. So what do you think? What is the angle between them? So the angle between them is simply it's a 90 degree. When your cos becomes 0, it's on the 90 degree. So the angle between the given two planes are equals to 90 degree. Great. Now let's start the question number 15. Question number 15. Let's take the statement. Okay. Find the acute angle between the plane and line. That's great. This is what the second form I was talking about. Okay, yes. Find the acute angle between the line and plane. Okay, so step number 1 is what? We have to get the angle between line and plane. And what is the formula is? Sin theta. Remember, if line and plane is given, sin theta. If both are same, that means line and line, plane and plane, then we have to take the cos theta. So it's a b dot n bar, that is b bar dot n bar equals to b by n, that is mod of b and mod of n. This is equals to, what is b bar? B bar you will get in the line equation. So a bar plus lambda b bar, so this becomes my b bar and this becomes my n bar. You should, by this time you should understand all the standard equations of the line and plane. So r bar is equals to a bar plus lambda b bar. This is the standard equation of plane, and this is r bar dot n bar equals to a bar dot n bar. Standard equation of our plane. Standard equation of line, standard equation of plane. Okay. So b bar कितना है? It's a I minus j plus k dot n bar is what? It's a 2i minus j plus k all divided by their magnitudes. So b का magnitude कितना गया? 1 plus 1 plus 1 and n bar का magnitude कितना गया? ये आ गया मेरा 4, 1 and 1. Okay. So this is equals to, so I 1 into 2 आ गया 2 minus 1 plus 1. So 1 into 1 is again 1 divided by root 3 and यहाँ पे आ गया मेरा root 6. Okay, so this is equals to how much we have in the numerator? It is a 4 divided by root of 18 mod में, which is nothing but 4 divided by, we have 3 root 2. Is it okay? So it is nothing but 3 root 2 is the answer. Again, if you want to do the simplification, you can do that. That is how you can do. That is a 4. It is equals to 2 into 2. 4 is nothing but 2 into 2, and 2 into 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 आ गया 2. 2 into 2 becomes 4. So it is, so ये 1 root 2 cancel. So what is the answer is 2 root 2 by 3. This is what you get the answer, sin theta is equals to. But they have asked the theta, so it becomes sin inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. This is what my final answer is. So let's have a box for this. This is the answer. That's great. So okay, so I hope you have understood all the questions from this video, and if you have any doubt at any time, you can ask me. Okay, so again we will meet in the next video with the set of 5 questions. Okay, so till then, bye bye, thank you.